Hi there, my name is Mike Mazzoni. I am the Chief Governance Officer here at Board on Track. If you're not familiar with Board on Track, we are a national organization that partners with charter school boards, their governance team, and the school leader or the lead teacher or the CEO to help make sure that they've got everything they need to have really good governance practices in order to get outcomes, great outcomes for kids. I want to thank you for joining us for this module. This one is really important because as a charter school governance team, as a committee, governance council, board, it's a really unique thing in that you're building the airplane as you fly it. So many of the organizations that run schools out there have already existed for decades or for hundreds of years. Lots of traditional school districts and maybe boards of trustees of, say, a college or a university. But charter school boards are faced with creating their own entity that's going to self-govern, working with the school and the organization. So in this module, what we're going to talk about are some of the key organizing structures and principles that you as a charter school governance board need to have in place in order to be successful. So one of the things that we ask people is, how do you know how your board is doing? And they say, well, we think we're doing pretty good, but we ask compared to what? And they don't really know. So in this module, we're going to start out by going through in our training video, the key things that a new charter school board needs to get right. Then we also have part of the module, a diagnostic that you and your founding board team can use to see whether you've got the right things in place. And it'll help you kick off a data-driven conversation about what kinds of governance practices you may want to implement next. We're going to then also review some of the top mistakes that we've seen from our position working with hundreds of charter school boards, especially what the new boards or founding boards don't get right. And then we're also going to help you get a sense of, as part of your organizational structure, is our board organized right, but also do we have the right people on our team in order to accomplish what it is that we need to get done? So we'll help you answer that question about whether you've got the right board members on your team. And if you're interested more in learning about how you can recruit the right board members for your team and how you can have that conversation, there's another module here in the Wisconsin resource, in the works program here in Buzz is the word I was looking for, that can give you some more information on how to recruit really strategically and effectively. As always, if you have any questions about this module, feel free to reach out to us. You can reach out to the Works team and they'll put you in contact with us. And I hope you enjoy the module.